All right, we're going to work this bad boy out. I'm asking you to write the test results class, and I'll fix this before you see it, but it's test result class. It's a singular thing. We're going to write it right here. Class test result. And I tell you that there's a unique integer serial number which starts with 1,000. It's been a long time since we've done that. So to do that, we say private static int next num equals 1,000. We're literally going to put 1,000 in there. But then we have private int test ID and private string test type and private string result. These are the things I tell you that I want you to do right here. Test type, test ID, unique serial number, and result. All right, and then it says the constructor takes one string, the test type, and it sets test ID to the next appropriate value, and it sets result to null. So public test result, string test type, I'm given TT, and we can say test type equals TT, test ID equals next num, and next num plus plus. Remember, next num is the one that's shared across all of them. And I think result is by default null, but let's just let's make sure. Okay, and then we have a set result method which takes one string parameter and sets it to that, and we have a get result which returns that, and then we have a toString. So we're almost done. This is not a huge job. Public void set result string r for result. We say result equals r, and public string get result return result. Actually, if there's no result, I want it to say result pending, results pending. So instead of just returning null, I want it to say if result equals null, return results pending. Otherwise, return result. So that'll take care of that. And then finally, we've got public string toString. And this one, I need it to say results pending if it's not, instead of null. So we're going to say string temp equals result. I'm just throw it in there, but I'm also going to say if result is equal to null, and I'm going to say temp equals results pending. And then we can just return everything. Return. Let's get a copy of what I'm asking for. So looking at it while we type it. Test ID colon space plus test ID plus comma space plus test type plus colon comma space plus temp. Remember, I got temp to thing, and now this should run. I mean, we'll see, and then we should get. Oh, I don't have the output showing here, but it'll be there before you get to it. And yeah, we're all negative. We got results pending, but I did set one of the tests to positive, and there we go. And all the numbers look great. So anyway, that's it. Can I get the whole thing to show all at once? Almost. If I put one of these on the earlier line, get the whole thing to show. So anyway, hope that helped.